teenage girl takes one sip. Minutes later, she can barely stand. Children collapse. Schools shut down. Parents panic. The drink was Coca-Cola. June 1999, Belgium. A teenage girl opens a cold can of Coca-Cola. She takes one sip. Seconds later, she feels dizzy. Her stomach begins to hurt. Within hours, dozens of students across the country are reporting the same strange symptoms. By the end of the week, more than 200 people become sick. Schools close, parents panic, and one question spreads across Belgium. Is Coca-Cola poisoning people? The company says its drinks are safe, but the number of sick people keeps growing. So, what is really happening? The mystery begins in a small town in eastern Belgium. Students complain of headaches, nausea, dizziness. Some say the drinks have a strange smell. Others describe a bad taste the moment they open the bottle. Teachers call ambulances. Soon, hospitals begin filling with children, who all tell the same story. I drank Coca-Cola. News spreads fast. Within days, reports begin appearing from other towns. Not just Coca-Cola. People also become sick after drinking Sprite and Fanta made by the same company. The Belgian government doesn't wait. Officials order millions of bottles and cans to be removed from stores. Restaurants stop serving Coca-Cola products. Supermarkets clear entire shelves overnight. Then France, Luxembourg, and several other countries follow with their own recalls. For the first time in decades, one of the world's biggest companies faces a public health crisis. Coca-Cola launches an investigation. Experts inspect factories. They test thousands of bottles. Eventually, investigators find two separate problems. Some cans had been contaminated on the outside by a chemical used during transportation. Others contained an unpleasant smell linked to poor quality carbon dioxide used during production. Health experts later conclude that the contamination was unlikely to cause serious long-term harm. But by then, the damage is already done. People no longer trust the brand. Coca-Cola's chief executive travels to Belgium to apologize in person. The company recalls millions of drinks. Its reputation suffers around the world. Even today, the 1999 Belgium Coca-Cola crisis remains one of the biggest product recalls in the company's history.